Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the 1st of February 2021 and Monday. Today is the first trading day of the week and first trading day of the month. We had amazing volatility, amazing pips. Let me share with you today's my best forex trade analysis and the result. Alright, so just to recap traders, this is the system I use for live intraday analysis and for live trading alongside with the live audio commentary. And if you would like to know how I trade using this system, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. All right, so these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. And I analyze market twice a day just before London Open, 7:30 GMT London time. One is 2 p.m. just before opening bell for New York session. And all of my analysis broadcast instantly in this platform, and the recording is available in the training session. All right, so let me share with you today's best analysis. We had amazing trades, especially on EURUSD, pound dollar, dollar CAD, and you can see one of my traders bank 130 pips and beautiful pips, and one of his trades still is open. That is the dollar CAD. All right, so I'm gonna explain to you all these trades, some of them, which analysis he followed and banked beautiful pips. You can see here in the morning he took a long on pound dollar, made 11 pips. That is the based on the pullbacks, which is pretty straightforward. Pullback long straight. If you look at here, let me go to the analysis updates. You can see here this morning we had beautiful, you can see pullback. Once we announced the price is develop double bottom at the resistance level, and that's what he took and banked beautiful pips. Then he lost minus 13 pips on dollar CAD. That was the again, this was again based on the analysis. Let me explain to you this one. You can see, as mentioned on the analysis, that the first priority would be based on the momentum pullback short, which price nicely developed pullback, and you can see price suddenly reverse, and he closed his trades minus 13 pips. Then I think he recovered it later on, as mentioned on the analysis, that first priority would be the pullback, and if the price gonna break, then otherwise we're looking safest trade for counter against the momentum after the breakout pullback, which price broken after the breakout and pullback long, which I believe he recovered it. That trades, you can see here 11 pips, not this one. Yeah, I think the other trade still is open. That basically he mentioned that I'm gonna keep open this trade. You can see here exactly after the breakout pullback long trade, I took it. I said I'm gonna keep holding that trade, and the target would be let me share with you 4-hour. The target would be this daily resistance level. Once the price respected this level, which we announced, as we mentioned last week as well, that the price developed third touch. If you haven't seen my video analysis review, just watch it. Link is given in the video description. And afterwards, we were expecting, if the price, because after this bullish rejection and this candle, we were expecting a short, which, as you can see, he lost 13 pips, but he recovered it. You can see still enjoying this pipping, like 67 pips now. But he also took other long trades. You can see here dollar CAD, he made 11 pips. This one you can see here based on the analysis, and then he banked another one, 26 pips. Same, he opened 2 trades. One he banked 11, another one he's 26, and he kept open his other trade, which is still open. You can see here, and all these trades, dollar CAD was 100% based on the analysis. Let me share with you guys. This was the analysis at the New York session. He took 2 trades, banked some profit here, he banked another one here, and he let the other one run. He was explaining that I'm going to keep that, holding that trade as long as the momentum is bullish. You can see he's still banking beautiful pips. So he lost 16 pips on Kiwi dollar. Let's see what's happening here. It was a pretty straightforward breakout, but as you can see, he suddenly moved reverse and he closed his trade. And later on, I think he banked again. It was mentioning, yeah, you can see 13 pips. So he lost 16 pips, but as soon as the price reversed, momentum was bearish, and he took another short trade and banked beautiful pips again, recovered it a few pips. Then he made another beautiful pips on EURUSD, 51 pips, and he banked 13 pips, and the other one is 51 pips. If I show you here, this was the analysis this morning, and beautiful breakout. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the target and banked 51 pips, and another one is 13 pips based on the analysis. Let me share with you guys. In the morning we had this one. Yep, this one, the breakout trade. Because we were watching in 4 hour. Based on the 4 hour, he took a 2 short trade, banked beautiful pip, and kept the other one run, made a 51 pips. Beautiful. Again, let me share with you guys 4 hour chart. As you can see, beautiful. You can see this was the trade we mentioned this morning and explained to traders. If the price is going to break this level, which previously respected, then probably gonna have, and if you look at here, we had another wedge breakout. So we said, okay, take a pullback. So you can see price is about to hit to the monthly support, which is 25.30 area, and he just closed, I think recently closed, and banked beautiful pips on 51 pips. Then he had it another one, EURUSD. Yeah, he also taken another one. This is the pullback short trade here, beautiful, after the breakout, and he took another short trade. As long as the momentum is bearish, we develop our sentiment through 4 hour, and based on that, in intraday, the system help every pullback. You can see such a beautiful pips, 20 pips, beautiful pips. All right, guys, so you can see he made it 130 pips, still won, 67 pips so far, and beautiful pips banked based on this analysis. Let me go through quickly all this analysis. All right, so let's talk about the dollar CAD. We had beautiful, as mentioned on the 4 hour analysis, the target would be this level. We are long on dollar CAD so far. You can see price broken and confirmed the support area. This is the good sign. So we're looking another pullback. Let's see tomorrow around this area. You can see the price broken this previous high. So let's see if we can get another pullback tomorrow. And we had a beautiful breakout short trade. As you can see, the price nicely respected daily support. After this one, we had after this wedge breakout, we banked short trade. As you can see, this is the journey. Let me share with you the pound dollar journey. So that's what exactly in intraday, even you can see in 4 hour consolidation, but within the consolidation, we were enjoying pipping, guys. That's exactly what we do every single day. If you look at on the right hand side, I'm going to share with you the journey of the you can see, let me share. Okay, first in the morning, you can see this is the London morning, just before London open, 7:30. We mentioned pullback long, then bank beautiful pips. Then afterwards, the market reversed. Then we explained looking for breakout short trade here because the price was at the major resistance level this morning. So we explained the price already developed double top even in intraday, so more likely looking short. But I said to you, we need a confirmation. So this one, you can see price nicely broken that analysis, and we announced another pullback because if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. So beautiful. So then we had it another one at the New York session, another analysis. You can see 1490, 219 London time and GMT, pullback short. That's what I explained. And what happened afterwards, you can see we had two beautiful pullbacks based on the momentum. So you can see the whole journey. We had it long trade here and then short trade here, all short trade. So you can see within a 4 hour consolidation, we banked beautiful pips. You can see trader bank beautiful pips. Same thing if you open any pair, let's say EURUSD. If you look at the whole journey, we had a beautiful two analysis and then bank beautiful because we explained to look for pullback short. We can see this analysis 7:30 GMT just before London open and breakout, bank beautiful pips, announced pullback too. Then we announced at the New York session another one. We explained that look for this breakout. And then we have another bank announced bank to beautiful pips. You can see that the whole journey, even in intraday, we announce all these pullbacks and bank beautiful pips. Same thing, dollar CAD, you can see all this journey. We were expecting, if you look at the here, you know, we explain either breakout short, which trader lose 13 pips, but he recovered it. Then afterwards pull back long, then afterwards breakout, and then beautiful after the breakout, beautiful pullbacks too. So beautiful trade. So you can see that we analyze in 4 hour, and based on that, beautiful pips. All right, so let's quickly show you guys a few more analysis. Okay, pound yen, let's see what happened here. Pound yen, beautiful pullback. You can see based on the analysis. Short trade. Euro yen, we had a beautiful trade as well. You can see this was the breakout short trade at the New York session. I've already shown this one. Euro pound, let's see what happened here. Pullback short trade, beautiful. And then pound Swiss franc, we had a beautiful trade. You can see here, announce look for the breakout, beautiful breakout short trade, pound Swiss franc. Then Aussie dollar, we had a beautiful, you can see, let me explain to you this analysis. As you can see that we were looking, first priority would be pullback, and explain to trader if the price gonna break the 200 EMA. You can see the price did not broken. And then we announced through live audio commentary, price develop another wedge, look for this breakout. Price did not break. So what happened after that? The price broken support, as you can see, we mentioned here. Look for after the breakout pullback. So breakout is performed. Then we explain to trader, look for the pullback. And you can see one pullback, and you can see another 2 pullback. Beautiful. So it's not about just broadcasting this analysis. We also keep up to date with that analysis through live audio commentary. So if traders need any help, they can basically ask questions, and we can help them instantly through live audio commentary. That's what exactly we trade every single day. So you can see Aussie dollar, that's what exactly first priority would be pullback. The price did not develop any pullback. The second phase is let's look for the short trade. As I mentioned, you beautiful short trade on Aussie dollar. We had it. Okay, pound dollar is the same. Dollar yen, let's see, this was the pretty straightforward breakout, another very small long trade. Dollar Swiss franc, we had a beautiful breakout long trade this morning. As you can see here, I explained that time that if the price gonna break this resistance, you can see the price nicely broken, and after breakout pullback, beautiful long trade, breakout long trade. So you can see we had a beautiful trades today. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. As I said to you, my objective is to train trader with the live market. This is purely price action trading. So even if you are struggling it, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill when you see all that analysis in real time and opportunities to ask the analyst. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day. And most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.